My video guide will provide you with help to remove the adware, which is called NetSearchPanel. NetSearchPanel is a special adware designed specifically for Mac computers, and this adware is, by the way, from the AdLoad family. This adware is often spread through misleading pop-ups that may be presented as some crucial software or browser update alerts. But if people start interacting with these pop-ups, if they install any of such fake updates for their Mac computers, they actually install this NetSearchPanel adware into their computers. This adware starts displaying the huge number of intrusive pop-ups and advertisements not related to the sites that users visit. So if you have found this adware on your Mac, go to your Finder, check Applications, right-click on NetSearchPanel and move it to the trash. I also recommend that you investigate your system with our Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. By the way, the program is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Install the program and begin carefully investigating your system with its help to detect and remove other threats fully from your computer. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.